Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tākaro Tribe, what are you up to today?
We're sorting ngahere, glass.
We're putting oko, jars here.
And pātara bottles here. There are so many pātara bottles.
I think we need to find a way to reuse them.
Good thinking, E. Glass is strong, so it can be reused in lots of ways.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Hipi has asked for help. The bridge across the creek has collapsed. Now Hipi and her whānau can't get to the other side to fresh grass.
That's terrible. Of course we'll help.
That's very kind, all. But first, Kōkā wants to see you.
Kāpai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Hipi needs our help.
The Arawhiti bridge across the creek has collapsed.
Hipi really does need your help. What will you do to help?
Maybe all the pātara we've collected could help.
We could build a puti, boat, out of pātara so Hipi could float to the other side of the creek.
Making a puti is tricky, but reusing glass bottles is an excellent idea. Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Are you ready to help out Hipi?
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we could reuse the pāpara we found.
Great idea. Hipi's Arawhiti bridge has collapsed. You could build a new Arawhiti with the pātara bottles.
But how do we make a bridge, Pāpā Rākau?
Let me show you. To make a bridge from pātara, bottles, we first lay some pātara on the ground. We can use uku, clay, to keep them together. Then we add another layer of bottles and clay. Then another layer. Repeat this process until we get a strong Arawhiti bridge.
Whoa! Kōriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags. You can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau.
It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, tai ki e.
Pooh, keep an eye out for a collapsed bridge.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere, forest.
Yay!
Watch for Hipi and her whānau.
Where do they live, Pooh?
They live near the Maunga Mountains, with an awa running through the valley.
Look, I can see the maunga in an awa.
And there's a collapsed Arawhiti. That must be where Hipi is.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. We're so glad you're here.
Kia ora, Hipi. We saw the collapsed Arawhiti.
Now we can't get to the other side to the fresh grass.
But how can we help?
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kete?
There, on that toka rock. Arawhiti. Bridge is the word of the day.
We can build an Arawhiti from glass bottles.
Wow, that's great, Tākaro Tribe.
But we have a problem. We don't have any pātara.
Or uku, clay, to hold them together.
That's not a problem, Tākaro Tribe. The flood that damaged our Arawhiti also brought us a heap of pātara.
And there's the uku, clay, to keep the pātara together. Yay!
You've done a wonderful job. Now my whānau can cross the Arawhiti to eat fresh grass. Haramai e te whānau.
Yay!
Thank you, Tākaro Tribe. We love our new Arawhiti. Goodbye.
Haere rā koutou! Kia waia tā tātou!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
We built a new Arawhiti bridge for Hipi.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Arawhiti. 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 Arawhiti.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You sorted out the karaihe, glass you collected. Then Hipi asked for help because the Arawhiti bridge had collapsed. You made a new Arawhiti out of glass bottles and uku. Hipi and her family were able to cross the awa again. And you learned a new word. Arawhiti. 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 That's an amazing day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. For Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, paraihe hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe